Your key to customization. Link your vehicle key to your BMW ID to get your individual settings loaded automatically and to be personally welcomed when unlocking. Open the car and click on your BMW ID picture in the top right corner. Select Manage BMW IDs and choose your BMW ID. Now select Settings, Driver Recognition, and set a PIN to protect your settings. Select Link Key to see all available keys. One driver, many keys. You can link one physical key fob and several digital keys to your BMW ID. Make sure not to carry any other key fob with you, except the one you want to link. Otherwise, the system would have a hard time to recognize the right key. One car, multiple drivers. Your friends, family and colleagues can link a different vehicle key. For example, digital key cards or shared BMW digital keys on mobile devices for the same car to their own BMW ID. To link a key card, place it in the smartphone tray. Open the BMW ID settings as shown before and choose Key Card. That's it! From now on, when unlocking and entering the car with your linked key, you're personally welcomed with all your personal settings in place, by name and with an individual profile picture. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.